Hey guys, welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we are going to be making two types of vegetarian pastas. The first one will be a lemony and cheesy, very simple and fresh pasta. And the second one will be that viral TikTok pasta that everyone is making. So let's go and check out the ingredients. So I have my pot of water boiling for the pasta, and in the meantime, we'll chop up some parsley and garlic. Alright, now the water is boiling, so let's put in the pasta and then we'll cut up some garlic. The pasta is al dente, and I have a pot in front of me, and we're gonna cook up some garlic and butter first. And then I'll take the pasta directly into the pot and make sure to save a 1/4 cup of this pasta water. Now we're gonna add the lemon, and I'm just gonna do it over a strainer so we don't get any of the seeds in. We're just gonna throw in the lemon as well. And it's good to hit the lemon around to get the smells to come out more. Salt is to taste. I don't like my pasta so salty. And we'll be getting a lot of salt from the Parmesan. We'll add in our Parmesan cheese as well. Our parsley. And a good amount of black pepper. Some of our pasta water. Let's give that a mix, and it's pretty much done. So good. So next we're gonna work on that viral TikTok pasta. So I have my casserole dish, and I have the oven preheating. I set it for 350 on bake. Now we need a 1/2 cup of olive oil. So let's add our olive oil in. And we'll add in our tomatoes. And I know that for some of the recipes they call for whole cloves of garlic, but I'm just going to use minced garlic for the... Give that a mix. I feel like the smell of the garlic and the bursting of the cherry tomatoes is just going to be phenomenal. I'll go in with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of the black pepper. And this next step is optional. I like it with more of a kick, so I'm gonna add in some crushed red peppers. And that's a 1/2 teaspoon. Another mix. We're gonna add in a whole block of feta cheese right in the middle. And I'll just add some parsley here and there. And it's gonna go straight into the oven for 30 minutes. And I'm gonna boil some rigatoni pasta that I have for today.